Okay, we are now in front of 1213 Forest in Highland Park. Now this is a really nice section of town. However, I mean, you've got new construction going on right next door, but then this is an area, this is like the older part of town by the lake, which is like highly prestigious, but you've got a variety of different types of homes here, including a little Cape Cod here, and homes across the street. So it's not going to be like the consistency of Conway Farms or you know, the Glen. It's just hard because those are unique in the North Shore, because a lot of the areas around here are well established from a long time ago and built up. There's a small ranch which is directly next door to this one. So based on that, I mean, this house looks like it could be very nice, and the neighborhood is nice, and you are close to the lake, but it's not a consistent neighborhood, and that's why it almost seems like I said, like the Glen or Conway Farms, or, you know, Lake Forest has a lot of neighborhoods because it has a lot of land and they've built a lot of new things on the west part of town. So we'll go on to the next.